Have you ever checked on a stock and thought, is this actually a good investment or am I just guessing? You're not alone. A lot of beginner investors in the Philippine Stock Exchange feel overwhelmed by charts, numbers, and financial jargon. But here's the truth. You don't need to be a finance expert to analyze a company, and you definitely don't need hours. By the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently answer, is this company worth investing in or not? We're keeping this simple and practical. No complicated formulas, no intimidating terms. Just three easy steps. Step number one, you have to understand the business. You need to investigate and check on the numbers, then decide if it's worth the price. Let's get into it. Before anything else, you can ask yourself, what does this company actually do? You'll be surprised many people invest without even knowing this. Let's say you're looking at a company like a bank, a telecom, or a food company. Ask these three simple questions. First, how does the company make money? Is it selling products? Is it providing loans? Do they have subscriptions for services being offered? If you cannot explain it in one sentence, don't invest yet. Second, is the business easy to understand? Stick to companies you personally understand. For example, you use their products and who are using them. You see their stores or outlets and you understand their services. If it feels confusing, it's okay to skip it. And thirdly, is the business strong in the long term? You can ask, will this company be still available 5 to 10 years from now? And second, is demand growing or declining? Think of everyday needs like food, banking, utilities. These businesses tend to be more stable. Here's a quick tip. Go to the company's website or check disclosures on the PSE Edge platform. You can browse the company you want to know and learn. I suggest you create a tracker of all companies that you are interested in and make a comparison. Then come up with just 1 to 3 at the beginning of your investing journey. Now let's look at the numbers. But don't worry, we'll keep this beginner friendly. You only need to focus on three key metrics. The first one is revenue coming from sales. Is the company making money over time? You need to answer this. Is the revenue increasing every year? If yes, that's a good sign. And if no, there's a possible issue. The second is, know how is the net income or the profit of the company. Are they actually earning money after expenses? A company can have high sales but is still losing money. Look for companies with consistent profits and growing earnings. Number three, check on the company's debt. Is the company drowning in debt? Some debt is normal but too much is risky. Here's the simple rule. If debt is growing faster than income, you should be careful. And where to find this? You can find this information from PSE Edge, the financial websites. It is imperative for a company to publish their financial performance so their investors would know. And lastly, from their company annual reports. Let's make this super simple. If you only remember one thing from this section, remember this. Growing sales and growing profit and manageable debt should result to a healthy company. A healthy company is trustworthy and you can be assured that your investment is safe. Now here's where most beginners make mistakes. They find a good company and assume it's automatically a good investment. That is not always the case. Even a great company can be too expensive. The safest way is to use the PE ratio. In simple terms, PE ratio means price to earnings. It tells you how much you are paying for every peso of earnings. How do you interpret it? A low PE is potentially undervalued. It's between 5 to 10, which means that the stock is cheap. A high PE means potentially overvalued. But don't overthink it. Compare it to its past PE and other similar companies. You can ask yourself, am I paying a fair price for this company's earnings? If it feels overpriced, even if it's a good company, it might be better to wait. Let's summarize your 10-minute analysis system. First, you need to understand the business, how it makes money, and if you understand the products, and is there a long-term potential. Second, there is a need to check the numbers. Is the revenue growing? And how is the profit performing? And is debt manageable? And third, check on the stock price. Is it reasonably valued? If a company passes all three, you might have a solid investment candidate. If this video has helped you, here's your next step. Pick one PSE company today and spend just 10 minutes analyzing it using this method. No overthinking, just start. And if you want more beginner-friendly investing guides like this, explained in a simple, practical way, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Because smart investing isn't about being perfect. It's about being consistent and informed. See you in the next video.